everything was coming up. Everything was going fine, yeah. Everything was coming along at its own pace and its own time. I don't know just what to say. My baby ran away with a folk singing from outer space. They're not as cool as you think. Life back on Earth is okay, and now you're flying away at the speed of light.
There's a little video on how to cook steak on the Jetboil Genesis system. What beats steak in the woods? Right, Sarah? How do you beat this? Beautiful January day in the Okanagan.
I thought I had it figured out. I thought I had my ducks in a row.